Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Lautie Shuffle Double Aces in stainless steel and copper here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little guy over here. But hey, don't forget to like this video, and maybe don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of stuff that I'm bringing to you guys. So we've got, of course, the toy right over here. Inside you're gonna find, of course, like the classic box with the matching serial number. Make sure you buy original goodies only, and you have your classic envelope, like to check out my EDC, which is going to contain just a set of stickers, quality check card, and this hammer, Lautie hammer here to disassemble this guy right over there, so they can go back here in the box. And here we have this pretty cool shuffle, and we're gonna just use something pretty cool to take this guy out of this nice plastic vacuum pouch. And here you have it, guys. Look at that, and it's all beauty. That's the shuffle pair of aces, and this is a fantastic one. I'm already in love. Oh yes, this is a truly a fantastic fidget toy, guys. We're gonna check it in a second. Let's just quickly check the measurements for this little fella over here. The width is gonna be 1.18 inches with the height of 1.57 inches and a thickness of 0.333 inches. So you have an idea of the size, but let me just compare it up to, for example, that's the Tom EDC, that's the Mahjong. Here you've got the D-pad gamer from AC/DC. Here you have also another AC/DC. This is called the Start. It's a pretty cool one indeed. And then you've got, like, for example, another spinner. That's the Guy one from Muji. And also from Lautie, we got the Sam. That's another pretty cool spinner right there. And what else can I show you here? Some other Lautie stuff. Oh, of course, like, duh. We've got the, that's a pretty matching pair of kings. Also, let me show you this Ruisha. That's like a pretty cool spaceship. And I don't know, dodgy slider right over here. You want to see something from Amburi? Sure, why not? That's the Taidama Mokutai haptic coin, and that is about it. Let me show you this guy. Black Mirror design, Choclick, fantastic Zirk slider over here. So we have this shuffle pair of aces in stainless steel and copper version 2 in the house. This is a really cool one. Let's just quickly check the weight on this little fella over here, because it's very interesting. It has a nice heft to it, because it's gonna weigh in at 2.38 ounces in the pocket. Absolutely fantastic thing to carry around and to fidget with. I mean, the look is just gorgeous. It looks fantastic. You have a pair of aces. You have, you see, like 2 aces. That's just gorgeous. On the back, you have these magnets over here. You can see that where is it here, serial number, you see 352, what I was telling you before. That has to match with the back of the box. And also, like, this guy is also like a clicker, but clicks very differently actually than the copper. So it's much louder, the copper, but I mean, the sound it does is this. So basically this guy has 3 states, 1, 2, and 3, completely fanned out. There's some nice texturing going on, so it is grippy. Don't worry about that. It is pretty cool. You got these 2 sets of cards, stainless steel, nicely done, guys. It feels really good in the hand, has a really cool look, sounds really pleasant, amazing sound. I'm not sure why. Oh yeah, the clicks like that. Oh, because it's just new. So yeah, it's clicking with a different. Yeah, there's a little bit of a difference in the sound, but the main sound you're gonna do probably is gonna be this one, because you're gonna be sliding. You can also click, but the sliding is probably gonna be the main attraction of this fidget toy. Very, very cool look. This is a copper inlay. It's not like just like colored or anything. This is a different material. You can dismantle, disassemble this guy, taking off this screw over here. Very, very cool look, guys. It's one of my favorite toys. You can fidget all day long with this guy, just like that. You can even be quieter and have it slide quieter, or just be a little bit louder about it, or just, you know, you can even carry this guy as a worry stone, because it's gonna feel pretty good in the hand and in the pocket. So I mean, this guy, come on, looks absolutely super cool, feels great in the hand, the texture is there, there's some grippiness, it's super smooth. I don't know, maybe you can use a little bit of maybe nano oil to lube a little bit the back to have it slide even smoother, but I don't know. And so, and it also sounds good. I mean, so this is a winner for me, because it's you know, it checks all the 3 boxes. It looks pretty cool, it feels great in the hand, and sounds pretty amazing. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.